I'm here tonight with my husband Ted, and we are making the table for ascending. So we have a piece of glass, and Ted is gluing all these sheets of sandpaper here. I'm gonna show you what kind of glue he's using and how he's doing it. So the glass is 1/2 inch thick and it's tempered. So this is the can.
3M Super 77. That's the best stuff.
Great. This is how he sprays.
As long as you have the border, you will be okay. You don't need much in the middle, and only spray the back of the paper, and then you line it up on the seam like such. And if there's little gaps, sometimes you can force them, but it's better to have a little gap than have an overlap because it makes it too tall.
And the good thing about this method is that when the sandpaper doesn't work anymore because it's too old, we can just remove it and then clean the glass and glue new pieces. Ted, how did you remove it?
Usually when it's consumed and it's not as coarse, you can peel it from a corner, and most of the time if you don't use too much glue, you can peel up the entire sheet and then clean the rest off with a razor blade.
Thank you. From your Sofia, a big trick and tip today, so you can have your own sandpaper board to flat thing, and it's working amazingly.